Within this ancient vault lies the green diamond.
Growth is slow and deliberate. The young avocado tree focuses all its initial energy on building a sturdy vertical trunk.
The avocado leaves transition into a deep, glossy, evergreen canopy.
The dense canopy is essential, protecting the sensitive trunk and future avocado fruits from the scorching tropical sun.
Spring triggers a sacred event. The avocado tree prepares to bloom, 1,000 flowers for every future fruit.
This is a synchronized dichogamy. Each flower is functionally female for only 2 to 3 hours, closing by noon.
Pollination is a dance of timing. Every pollinated blossom now enters a secret chamber to begin its transformation.
Rebirth. After a closed night, the same flower reopens as a male, its mission changed to sharing life with the next wave of females.
The vault is formed. What was once the base of a simple blossom is now nature's finest storage vessel.
While green, the pulp is busy manufacturing healthy monounsaturated fats within every cell.
Armor of the field. This textured Hass rind is a natural shield, protecting the precious oil-rich pulp.
The avocado reaches half its final size, with the waxy green color deepening into a rich emerald.
Creamy perfection requires time. As the summer intensifies, the accumulation of nature's butter within the pulp reaches critical mass. The signal of maturity, Hass avocados uniquely change color, shifting from forest green to dark purple when peak oil content is achieved.
The deep purple color spreads across the entire surface of the avocado, appearing almost black.
Freshly picked, the avocado must now begin its final act, ripening after the harvest.
A masterpiece revealed. Beneath the tough armor lies a green diamond of nutritional density.
Genesis of creamy perfection is complete. Witness the green diamond on Harvest Motion.
Synchronized perfection. Morning female, closed night, afternoon male. A botanical marvel designed for genetic diversity.
Every detail of the initial life is visualized. The stored energy of the pit fuels the rise of the canopy.
Sunlight reflects off the smooth, waxy skin of a green Forte-type avocado for comparison.
The root system is shown to be highly branched but shallow, designed for rapid water absorption. The camera rotates around the avocado, showing its perfect symmetry under high midday sun.
Internal engineering. Massive amounts of water and carbon are transformed into the solid density of creamy pulp. The camera dives into the hollow seed cavity after removal, showing the smooth, clean surface.
The wait is almost over. A final gaze at creamy perfection. This is the heart of Genesis motion.
The dried avocado leaves are recycled back into the soil as organic humus.
The camera moves slowly beneath the avocado tree canopy, looking at the hanging red and gold treasures.
A final look at the avocado seed, now dried, holding the promise of next year's Genesis.